Welcome to Radio King. Here's another fresh installation of 7-inch Toyota radio for the new shape Toyota Camry 2017. So that's radio that we install has all the modern feature. You can use GPS navigation, which one is installed over here in the radio. Just whatever you want. You can download any another GPS navigation from Play Store. So you can connect your phone with the Bluetooth, play music from your phone, and also make a calls. You get two microphones, one microphone over here and the second microphone is over there, so for the best phone quality everybody can hear you very well. All our radios support steering controls, so all of the buttons from the factory steerings, they will work. Then our radios has the best on the market radio chipset model, so the stations, the radio will work on the best quality, so it's the best radio model. So if you have problems with the frequency with the radio on your radio, we can install over and it will work absolutely outstanding. So another thing our radio has is Android Auto and Apple Carplay, which one is really nice to have for driving. So that's the app called T-Link, and here's the phone is connected now with the Android Auto. For the Apple CarPlay you can even use it wirelessly, so it's actually now it's your phone on the screen with all the functions from your phone, your Google Maps from your phone, your last calls, your favorites, even Google can read your messages, everything is over there. Google can read your messages from WhatsApp, from Viber, from messages as well. So that's the Android Auto feature. You can play music from USB. You got two USBs. You got Google Chrome, Google Play Market. You can download whatever you like, and the most important thing is the YouTube. You can watch and listen to YouTube. Sorry. So it's a nice audio system. It's good models. You can even watch on the full screen. And if you are a meloman, you can, for example, add some more bass if you want, if you like it. So it's the Radio King, and we have the best radios on the market. All comes with a warranty, 1-year warranty, 30 days money back. So call us now to book installation. Thank you.